Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. Do I have something for my biker buddies out there who are getting ready to start riding this season? These are some really nice gloves I wanted to show you guys that were sent out to me to take a look at. Let's go ahead and pop these guys out and see exactly what we get. So as you guys can see, they're just attached right here. I'm just going to pull these little tabs loose like so. All right, guys, let's take a look at what these bring to bear. Now, you have your anti-wear, you have your protection, and you have your comfort. That's what it's advertising on here. Nothing else on the back of the little packaging. So here are the gloves, as you guys can see. Now, these do come in a variety of sizes. You have your knuckle protection right here. You have additional finger protection as well. There is somewhat of a pad right here on this tip. I think that would be, you know, for smartphones. Then you have some abrasive protection right here on the palm and more protection here on the hand as well. So we have this Velcro that you can release like this. Then you should be able to just put these guys on. All right. Now these are a little snug for me. This is a medium. I would probably wear a large, but these would break in over time. So you guys can see the fit. Really nice. Let's see how well they can pick up things. So I can easily pick this up and, you know, move this around, which is nice. So if I was gripping, you know, my throttle or shifter or something like that, I would feel comfortable with these. So one of the things I always look for in gloves is how well they are sewn together around these lines here, because that's going to be one of the first pressure points here. And also around here, also where you see the Velcro on the sides here. So these feel really good in the hands, as I said, or should I say on the hands. Let's try it with both gloves. All right, guys, there's our second glove on. Again, as I said before, this is a medium size, but they still feel really good. I would have no problems, I think, you know, picking things up, moving things around. As you guys can see, no issues there. Let's grab something a little bit smaller and I can manipulate this with no problems. As far as this material here, it does feel really nice. Is it the strongest I've ever felt? No. It has kind of a, almost like a leather feel to the palm protection, which is additional. You do have breathable material here as well, so airflow will get through these. So definitely check these guys out if you're getting ready to go riding this season. This could be an excellent pair of gloves for you to check out. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Just want to show you these cool little riding gloves. Yep, really nice. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.